Well, guys, we had a good flea market day today. We got our sweet corn for today, and we got some toys for the kids, and then I'll let Lauren go over all the other stuff. These were less than $1, 6 for $1, so or 6 for $5. That's what it was. Anyways, and so you tell them what we got.
Okay, we'll start off with this okay, so all of these 5200 and 2600 and Clico games were $2 a piece, except for Hubert, which was $1.
So we got what, $15 for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 games, 8 games,
8 games,
4, 6, 8. That's not bad.
And
one's a Clico.
This is. I've never seen the Cabbage Patch Kids game.
That's awesome.
So I wonder.
Well, gotta remember they made Cabbage Patch.
Yeah, I always forget that.
Yeah, so that's what they turned into.
And then all the 5200 games are like amazing.
Yeah, we just need a 5200
you never see
now.
52. I know. Yeah, we have a bunch of games.
So we got Space Invaders, Centipede, Pac-Man, Gyrus, and Cubert, some classics. And now I saw this on one of them other guys. This looked like a good game. And you got to get Porky's. Come on.
20th Century Fox.
Yeah, any of those are good games. Good games for collectors.
And then another table that this is for $1. Why not? Don't have it yet. You kind of if you collect video games, it's kind of something like
right.
You want to have.
We went to our regular dude.
And then this our other regular guy they buy from. He gave me Spy Hunter and this 360 controller for $15.
Yeah, we got to get his info because he sells online and stuff. Hook you guys up because he's a real good dude. He's there at the flea market every weekend.
Yeah.
And then that was a score.
Yeah, we got all 3 of these for $13. The sealed Skylander Superchargers.
Yeah, Superchargers, completely sealed. He was selling 5. He gave us $2 off. And that was a good price to begin with.
Yeah,
$5. You were thinking about just buying that one by itself, anyways.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking about all 3 of them. I was thinking he came up with okay, I'll give you all 3 for $13.
Yeah.
Why not?
Right. So hopefully you guys dig. Just a short one. This is what we picked up this week. So what was our total? It was like, what, 13, it's 15, that's 30, 45, $50 for all of this.
Right around $50.
$51 to be exact. That's a good haul. Well, like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you when I see you. Peace.